Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is m minus root of m plus 1 divided by m minus 11 equals 5. We will solve this as first of all we will move this m to the right side. Here this is added, it will be subtracted. So we get minus root of m plus 1 divided by m minus 11, that equals 5 minus m. Now in the next step we will take minus as common from this. Remaining is root of m plus 1 divided by m minus 11, that equals minus into m minus 5. Minus minus are cancel out. We have root of m plus 1 and in this side we have m minus 11 into m minus 5. Now before multiplication we will make here a substitution. We know that 11 can be write as 8 plus 3 and 5 can be write as 8 minus 3. So make this substitution here. We will write this as root of m plus 1 equals m plus 8, m minus 8 and plus 3, and for this one m minus 8 minus 3. Now we will make a supposition here. Let's consider m minus 8 equals a and 3 equals b. So what we will get? We get this as a plus b and a minus b. Now we will apply here its formula. So we get this a square minus b square and that equals root of m plus 1. Now we will substitute its original value here. We get root of m plus 1. In place of a square we will write m minus 8 square and in place of b we will write next value, that is 3 square. So we have m minus 8 square minus 9 and in this side we can write m plus 1 as m minus 8 plus 9 because this will gives us also m plus 1. Now consider here, let you have m minus 8 equals x. So our question will become root of x, then root of x in place of plus 9 and m minus 8 means x square minus 9. So what will be the next step? This will become, by taking the square on both sides, x plus 9 whole square, and in this side when we take square we get x square minus 9 and its whole square. This square is cancelled out and we got x plus 9, that equals x square minus 9 and its whole square. Now we will solve this further here and we get m plus 9. In both sides we will subtract x square. So we get x square minus 9 whole square minus x square. Now we will apply again formula here. X square plus x plus 9, that equals, here we again apply the formula of a square minus b square. x square minus 9 minus x and x square minus 9 plus x. Then in the next step, we will solve this as we will take minuses common from this. Remaining is x square minus x minus 9. Arrange this as x square minus x minus 9 and x square plus x minus 9. You can see this term and this term are same. These are cancelled out. Minus 1 equals x square plus x minus 9. This will become, minus will move to this side. We get x square plus x minus 9 plus 1. That gives us 0. So x square plus x minus 8 equals 0. So we cannot make the factors of 8 such that when they are added gives 1. So we will solve this as this will equals x square plus x minus 8. So apply here the quadratic formula. So this gives us minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square is 1 minus 4 of ac. A is 1 and c is minus 8 divided by 2 of a. So x equals minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 32. So x is minus 1 plus minus root of 33 by 2. So this is the value of x we got from this. And next we will write our answer, and for this pair if we have to found this, for this pair equals 0. So we got the value of this. If we not cancel out this, we have x square minus x minus 9 equals 0. So this gives us x equal minus 1. It will become plus 1. 1 square minus 4 of a is 1 and c is minus 9 divided by 2 of a. So this will gives 1 plus minus 1 plus 36 root of 37 divided by 2. So these are the solution of x. Then we will find the value of m here. So m will be equals we will subtract 8 from this. So m equals, in the last step we will just make the substitution of this as x minus 8. So we will just add 8 inside this. So when we add 8, what we will get? Value of m will be 7 plus minus root 33 by 2 and 9 plus minus root 37 by 2. So these are the, when we add this we get 17 here, and then for the other one 15. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.